Hello, it's me Doda from class 6 and I am here to share some facts and discoveries about Chandrayaan-3, which is launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Simply, Chandrayaan-3 is a moon operation which is launched by ISRO, and the launch date of Chandrayaan-3 is 14th July 2023 and the landing that is 23 August 2023. And at the first date, 23rd of August, is known as the Space Day of India because in this day the first moon operation was successful. Chandrayaan 3 had two trials of failure before. Chandrayaan 1 and 2 were failure, and the third one is a successful landing. And the landing point of Chandrayaan 3 is called Shiv Shakti. It is an Hindi word which means that the power of humans or the well-being of humans. And on the first day when the Chandrayaan was landed on the moon, the Chandrayaan launched its Pragyan rover. It's a robotic car which is used to characterize the surface of the moon for the soil, basically for the elements, which elements does moon contain or these things. The first 2 days, 23 August to 24 August, there was nothing new. There is nothing new to be discovered, but on the 25th, of August, an instrument of Chandrayaan-3 ELSA, instrument for lunar seismic activity, it recorded an vibration which was the frequency was minus 0.1185. This is the vibration which was recorded on the 25th August. So first they thought maybe it is the vibration of the Pragyan rover which is rounding on the moon. But the frequency of vibration of Pragyan rover was 0.19 and this vibration was continuous. But this vibration was only for 5 or 6 seconds. So this clearly says us that disaster like earthquakes or more specifically moonquakes occurs on the moon. So this discovery can help us in future for moon colonization. Let's go further. Now chased. Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment. Well, it is to discover the temperature of the moon. So according to a report, the temperature of moon surface is 50 Celsius and it is hot. But only if we go down for 10 centimeter, only 10 centimeter, the temperature go 50 Celsius to minus 10 Celsius. Minus 10 Celsius, and you can see the differences between the temperature and only 10 centimeter. Only on 10 centimeter. This is also a discovery that the soil of moon is an heat insulator. It do not let the heat to go in. And let's move further to the LEVs and APXs. LEVs and APXs, laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy and alpha particle X-ray spectrometer. They are the two high-tech instruments of Pragyan rover. They are used to discover the elements which moon soil contains. So according to them, according to a report, elements like calcium, titanium, and oxygen also, iron, magnesium. They are the some of the elements which moon surface contain. And let me briefly explain how the technique of finding these elements. We can know it by its name, laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy. So it activates a kind of laser into the moon surface. So, and the reflection of that laser goes to APXs. So by the reflection of the soil, it can detect that which kind of elements does the moon contains. Let's go for the last but not the least, Ramba LP. Ramba LP is also an part part of Chandrayaan-3, which is used, which is to discuss the uh, plasma of the moon's surface. Plasma. Now you have heard this. This is the fourth state matter, which is made of ions and electrons. Ions and electrons. So, because of the sun's radiation to the moon, the electrons of the earth's surface, sorry, moon surface get excited and they make plasma. And Rainbow Elfie had discovered that in every cubic centimeter of, sorry, in every cubic meter of moon contains 30 million of electrons. But same in Earth, every cubic centimeter centimeter contains 30 millions of electron. And also it tells us me that plasma can also be a disturbance through the signal, to sending signal to moon and to the earth. So this may help us in the moon colonization and to build better signals to us, to the moon and to the earth. Let's go through the last. Many research are remaining still, such as the search of water, the search of many other things are still remaining. So for them, in 2026, Chandrayaan-4 is going to be launched. Chandrayaan-4 is going to be launched, and this time, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and JAXA. JAXA is the Japanese space research organization. It is their one, so they will collab and they will launch their uh, space mission or space rocket to discover more and more things on the space or the moon.